All right, folks, Friday morning, real quick market update for you. Apologies for being late. Had a couple things had to get done. Markets trading higher, dollar trading higher this morning. We had some key inflation data came out. Month over month, one of the biggest jumps that we've seen in that PCE inflation data since 2008. So a big jump once again in inflation. However, having little impact on the markets because we are heading into a holiday weekend. So we find ourselves in a bit of a holding pattern as a result. It's going to be lighter volume, lighter activity today as a result of that. Now, that being said, Monday is a holiday. All the major U.S. exchanges are closed with the exception of Nadex. We're going to be open in the morning session and the overnight session, Sunday night, to trade FX products up until 10 a.m. Central Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So you find yourself bored on Memorial Day, perhaps it's bad weather, whatever the case may be, get in at Nadex. We're going to be open. All right, have a good weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, get some rest and relaxation in. We'll see you Monday morning. Bye-bye.